Hi, my name is Samuel Goin and I go to Joliet Central High School and I am in Mr. West's advanced drafting class. This is my first semester portfolio full of all of the projects that I've worked on throughout the semester. Throughout the semester I've worked on multiple projects including a STRANDBEEST, a Ford truck hub cover, collaborative project with Taylor & Paris, a desk organizer and phone stand, a headphone case, also a collaborative project with Taylor & Paris, a light-up acrylic sign, and a medal for the JOLIET CYBORGS dodgeball tournament, also a collaborative project with Taylor & Paris. The first project that I worked on this semester was a STRANDBEEST. A STRANDBEEST is a giant creature created by Theo Jansen that is made from PVC pipes and plastic sheets. I decided to 3D print one at a much smaller scale. I used Theo Jansen's 11 golden numbers to get all of the linkage lengths and angles correct to make sure that my STRANDBEEST actually walked. There was a lot of trial and error with this project, but in the end it came out exactly the way I wanted it to. From this project I learned how to get a very complex system and run smoothly and how to get angles and lengths perfect in Inventor. The next project that I worked on was a truck hub cover. This project was to help replace the truck hub cover that had broken on Talon's family's truck. This was a collaborative project between me and Talon. Everything went very smoothly with this project and we still have to attach it to the truck and paint it. I learned how to find very accurate dimensions from a very complex object and be able to redesign the same part in Inventor. The third project that I did was the desk phone stand. This project has a passive speaker for my phone and a charging port for me to charge my phone. The charging port is right here and the passive speaker is right here. It fits perfectly into my desk, and this project had absolutely no problems, and it is sitting in my desk right now, as you can see from the picture. And from this project I learned how to add parts onto an existing object and improve on someone else's design. The next project was a headphone case that me and Talon worked on and printed so that we could wrap up our headphones so that they wouldn't get tangled. This project had very few issues except for a reprint because one of the wrapping points was too short for the actual headphones to fit around it. But other than that we had no other issues and we both used the cases. From this project I learned how to make a simple object to fix an issue that you have and how to work with someone else on a project. Next I laser cut an acrylic light up sign. I used Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop to design my sign and put the acrylic sign into the laser cutter and engraved the design onto it. This project is still a work in progress and we must still make bases for the signs to mount the lights and the sign. And from this project I learned how to run the laser cutter and also I learned how to use Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. The last project that I worked on this semester was a medal that me and Talon designed and printed for the JOLIET CYBORGS dodgeball tournament winners. We were asked by Mr. Connolly, a CYBORGS mentor, to design and print the medals. The designing of the medal was easy, but the first print had gone wrong and the printer had gotten bumped and the metal layers had become unaligned. The second print came out perfectly, and from this project I learned how to work under pressure since this project had to be finished in less than a day. Throughout this semester I have learned many new skills that I will use in the future. I learned how to use Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I also learned how to run the new Ultimaker 3 3D printers, and I also learned how to run our Trotec laser cutter. And I have also learned how to solder and how to connect wires to a plug-in battery pack. Next semester I'm looking forward to because I can't wait to come back from break and continue working on all of these amazing engineering projects and finish up our sign. And one of the first projects I want to work on next semester is a tag for all of the flash drives that go to our Ultimaker 3D printers.